Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, first let me thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me present on article with title Concretization of Mathematics Media to Strengthen Critical Thinking of IPA subject for elementary student. Second, let me introduce myself. My name is Malia Chandra Ayuwinasis. I'm from Elementary School Teacher Education Program, University Muhammadiyah, Surakarta. Next, table of content. On article, number one, introduction, number two, method, number three, result and discussion, and number four, conclusion. Next, introduction. Education is an important lifelong process that develops skill, character, and knowledge. In primary school, teachers play an important role in developing student critical thinking skill through interactive learning. IPA subjects support the development of critical thinking by connecting the material to real event. However, conventional methods such as lecture often make students passive. The solution is the use of real object-based concrete media, such as match, which can increase student engagement and critical thinking skill in an active and fun way. Teachers need to utilize innovative learning media to optimally achieve learning objectives. Based on this background, the study aims to describe the concretization of mathematics media to strengthen critical thinking of IPA subject in elementary students. Next, methods. This study uses a qualitative approach. The subject in the study were fourth grade teacher and student in the fourth grade of SD Muhammadiyah plus Malangjiwan, which included 23 students. The object of this study is the co-identification of the concretization of mathematics media to strengthen the critical thinking in the IPAS subject in elementary school student. The focus of this study is to find out about the application of mathematics in learning, the impact on strengthening critical thinking, and the advantages and disadvantages of this media. Data collection technique through interview, observation, and documentation. Data analysis technique follow the steps described by Seidel 1990 tag, which include recording information, coding data, collection and classifying data, and finding patterns to produce meaningful finding. Next, result and discussion. This study was conducted at SD Muhammadiyah plus Malangjiwan, Karanganyar on April 30, 2024. The research described learning about using mathematics strength critical thinking in IPAS with the topic of the form of substance and their change, with three sharing questions in the form of aquarium animation. Students actively recognize the form and change of substance without detailed explanation, making learning more interesting and interactive. Mathematics involves student matching question and answer card related to the topic of form and substance change in a fun atmosphere. The steps include the teacher prepare question and answer card, student receive card, friends with label by within the time limit, then present the result. Student was successful, match the card correctly, get point or reward. The application of mathematics makes students prefer IPA subject, increasing interest in learning through learning media that is interesting and not boring. This media is more fun than lecture and assessment and encourage student enthusiasm for learning. Next, the result of the student certification response questionnaire instrument on the utilization of mathematics for IPAS can be present in the following diagram. The majority of students like the use of mathematics in IPAS learning. A total of 20 students agree or strongly agree that this media made them like IPAS more, although three students who disagree or strongly disagree. Most students, 21, found the learning interesting and not boring, while two students found it boring. A total of 18 students like learning with mathematics because they consider and more fun the lecture and assessment, although 5 students dislike this activity. In addition, 15 students agree that mathematics increased their enthusiasm for learning and boosted their confidence through collaboration with friends. However, ex-students how disagree with this. Next, the level of student certification of match in IPAS can be present using a pie chart as follows. The illustration shows that the level of certification of grade 4 student toward IPAS learning with match is very high. Students feel more engaged, free to express themselves, and less pressure with learning. Student level of interest is also high, seen from their active participation and enthusiasm in finding the correct pair of cards. The game also have reduced boredom as students as actively involved. So the classroom atmosphere become lively and positive. The use of math generally increases student enjoyment and enthusiasm for learning. Students enjoy learning with game more than passive learning such as lecture or assessment. They feel satisfied and happy when they manage to find the correct pair of cards, especially with the post profit or reward. Students not only passively listen to the teacher, but also develop critical thinking. This include number one, the ability to solve a past problem. Number two, the ability to think critically independently. Number three, active in learning. And number four, the ability to relate material to real life. Next, the result of critical thinking in the utilization of match in IPAS are present in the following diagram. Number one, IPAS problem solving ability. Out of 23 students, 16 students managed to solve the IPAS problem correctly using match. It can be seen when students try to match relevant card, which train analysis and critical thinking. Although the majority of students could solve the problem well, 7 students still struggle, probably due to lack of understanding of the material and tended to guess. Number two, critical thinking ability. With a total of 19 students were able to think critically independently and complete text without relying on teacher or friend. Mathematics help in developing critical thinking skill, especially when students match card with independent thinking. This process involves identification, information, analyzing, and making quick decisions. However, for students still struggle to think critically independently and making and often need help. Mathematics can be speedy, which sometimes makes students focus more on speed than the in-depth analysis required for critical thinking. Number three, active in learning. A total of 18 students actively participate in learning using mathematics, which encourage interaction and discussion between students to find the right pair of cards. However, 5 students struggle to actively participate due to a lack for understanding of the basic material and a lack of confidence, which made them hesitate and afraid of being wrong way when looking for card pair. Number four, ability to link material topic with example in daily life. A total of 22 students were able to relate the material on change in the form of substance with example of everyday life, such as change in water to ice, heated candles, or wet grass in the morning. The learning process becomes more meaningful and relevant when students can connect theory with reality. However, one student still struggles due to a lack of experience or understanding of the basic concept needed to connect theory with practice. Next, utilization of mathematics in IPAS learning help elementary students strengthen critical thinking, such as problem-solving ability. Critical thinking, activing and linking the material with daily life. It also increases participation and makes the learning process more interactive and interesting. However, some students still need further guidance. The use of this media support teacher in delivering material and creating an innovative and fun learning space. The advantage of implementing MathMatch is that it makes learning more interesting and fun. So, students understand the material more easily. The classroom atmosphere becomes dynamic with collaboration between students that is created naturally. Student active also increases thanks to the games that interpret learning. Students are enthusiastic in following the lesson and active in finding card pair. MathMatch helps students strengthen critical thinking as evidenced by their ability to solve a IPAS problem and find pairs quickly and precisely. Students can think independently without relying on teacher or friend and relate the material to everyday life example. Although very helpful, the disadvantage and the learning process take quite a long time, limiting the material that can be taught. In addition, some students will embrace it to pair up with the opposite sex, and the classroom situation become crowded as students move around looking for cat pair. Next, Almaira, a grade 4 student, preferred the like learning IPAS with match because she could learn while playing and felt challenged to find card pair quickly without asking the teacher. Interview between teacher and student saw that make a match help strengthen student critical thinking skill in a fun and interactive way, which encourages active engagement in learning. This media supports successful learning, open horizon, and help students become more active and relative in solving problems. Next, conclusion. Based on, based on the study, MathMatch media help in strengthening in the critical thinking of elementary school in the subject of IPAS. The certification level of grade 4 student is very high, with the majority of students feeling that they like IPAS more, are more interested in learning with the media and are eager to learn. MathMatch makes learning more interesting and less boring because it is more fun than just lecture and assessment. The advantages of MathMatch include strengthening problem-solving skill, critical thinking, active, and linking the material to everyday life. However, the disadvantage is that the teacher need extra time and energy for preparation. So that's all for my presentation. I'm sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.